Ever wonder how the Amish keep their homes so spotless? No fancy machines, no endless sprays, no noise of technology, just calm routines, just simple habits, just steady hands. Their cleaning feels different, slower, quieter, but stronger. And maybe, just maybe, there are lessons hidden there for us too. Today we step inside that world, the world of simple Amish daily cleaning. And trust me, you'll never look at cleaning the same way again. 1. Morning simplicity and order. The Amish day begins early. Before the first light slips through the curtains, before roosters call out, the house is already stirring. The sound of sweeping fills the quiet wooden floors, a broom brushing back and forth. It is not rushed. It is not noisy. Just calm movements, steady and sure. Dirt from the boots is pushed out. Dust from yesterday is cleared away. The Amish believe in starting clean. A clean floor means a clean mind. Order at dawn makes the day lighter. They don't see cleaning as a chore. They see it as a kind of prayer, a way to bring peace into the home before the real work begins. And once it is done, the house feels different. It feels awake. 2. The art of simplicity and tools. Look around their homes. You will not find shiny gadgets, no buzzing machines, no sprays lined up in colorful bottles. Just the basics: a broom, a rag, a wooden bucket, maybe a bar of soap that was handmade last season. That's all, and it works. The Amish know that simplicity lasts longer than technology. Their brooms are tough, sometimes passed down for years. Their soaps are gentle, made with care, without chemicals. They scrub with muscle, not with motors. Some might think it is old-fashioned, but to them it is freedom. Freedom from wires, noise, and constant buying. They show us something. Cleaning doesn't need more, it needs less. Less clutter, less tools, more intention. 3. Mid-morning laundry and freshness. By mid-morning, laundry becomes the rhythm. Clothes carried out in baskets. Heavy, damp, yet handled with patience. Some are washed by hand, others through a simple wringer washer. No rushing, no hurry. Soap and water, then rinse again. And then, the sight that defines Amish life. Long lines stretch between trees, dresses, shirts, linens dancing in the breeze. The sun becomes the dryer, the wind the helper. And when you pass by, you smell it. That crisp scent of sun-dried cloth, cleaner than anything bottled in stores. They let nature do the work. No chemicals, no perfumes, just fresh, just real. Laundry is not only cleaning for them, it's harmony with the air, with the land, with time itself. 4. Sweeping beyond the floors. For the Amish, sweeping does not end indoors. It spills outward. The porch gets brushed daily. The barn swept clean of straw. Even pathways outside the home. Dust and dirt have no permission to stay. Each sweep keeps the mess from crawling back inside. And it's not just about cleanliness. It's about order everywhere. A swept barn feels lighter, ready for chores. A clean porch feels welcoming, like a handshake to visitors. Even the garden paths are kept neat. It is a lesson in small actions. A reminder that if you handle dirt when it is small, it never becomes large. That's how they avoid clutter. That's how their homes stay calm, without chaos piling up. 5. Meal preparation and kitchen order. The kitchen is alive from sunrise. Pots clanging, dough kneaded, fire crackling, and mess too. Crumbs, spills, scraps. But the Amish don't wait till later. They clean as they go. A wiped counter here, a scrub pot there. Hands moving from cooking to cleaning like one motion. By the time a meal is ready, the kitchen is already half clean. No mountain of dishes waiting after. No mess stacked high. It's a flow, a balance. And when guests come, the kitchen is shining, warm, welcoming. This is not by accident. It is habit. It is respect. Cleaning is part of cooking, not separate. That's how the Amish keep the heart of their home always beating strong. 6. Afternoon window and surface care. When the afternoon sun climbs high, the Amish turn to the windows. Bright glass shows every smudge, so they mix simple vinegar with water. A rag, a wipe, a shine. No sprays, no artificial smell. Just clear glass that lets the world in. Surfaces too, wooden tables, shelves, walls. Each wiped carefully, dust gone, wood glowing. It is not quick work. It takes patience. But when done, the house breathes differently. Light flows in, shadows soften. The Amish value this quiet work. It's not just about appearances. It's about clarity, seeing the world clearly through glass polished by hand, feeling the strength of wood that has been cared for without chemicals. 7. Evening routine of resetting the home. When the day comes near its end, chores outside finish, animals fed, the Amish turn back inside. They do not collapse into beds, leaving things undone. No, they reset. Chairs are tucked in, books closed and placed aside, toys gathered. The broom sweeps one last time. Small details, but they matter. Because when morning comes, the home greets them already clean, already calm. They believe in closing the day the way it began, in order. Many of us let clutter grow overnight, but the Amish avoid that. For them, peace at night is earned by little efforts. Going to bed with a tidy home means waking up without burden. A circle of discipline that repeats. 8. Seasonal deep cleaning traditions. There are seasons in the Amish year that bring bigger tasks. Spring and fall especially. Walls scrubbed down, curtains washed, cupboards emptied and cleaned, even barns and sheds cleared out. This deep cleaning is not just about hygiene. It's symbolic. Spring means renewal. Fall means preparation. Life moves in cycles, and their cleaning mirrors it. Families work together, sometimes spending whole days on it. The smell of soap fills the house. Water splashes. Laughter mixes with labor. When it is done, the home feels fresh, almost new, and they carry that feeling forward into the season ahead. It shows their wisdom. Daily cleaning maintains, but deep cleaning renews. 9. Cleaning is family bonding. Amish cleaning is never lonely. Children sweep, mothers scrub, fathers tidy barns or chop wood to keep things in balance. It's family work, shared effort. The house becomes a place of togetherness, not just shelter. Lessons are passed down silently. A child learns respect by cleaning a chair. A daughter learns patience by washing laundry with her mother. A son learns strength by sweeping barns beside his father. Cleaning isn't punishment, it's love. It builds unity. It creates pride in what they share. The Amish don't divide tasks into chores. They see them as life. And through it, family grows closer, tied by small, daily acts. 10. Simplicity as the core of Amish cleaning. At the center of it all lies one truth: simplicity. No overthinking, no piles of products, no machines humming loudly. Just steady hands, simple tools, daily effort. Their homes stay beautiful not because they spend endless hours cleaning, but because they refuse clutter, they refuse delay. They do small things every day, and those small things grow into big peace. Their way shows us something we forget, that too much convenience often creates chaos. The Amish prove that cleaning is not about speed, but about care. Not about gadgets, but about intention. And when life is simple, cleaning is not heavy anymore. It is just life. Balanced, calm, honest. So that's the secret. Small steps, done daily, done with care. The Amish don't chase perfection. They choose simplicity. And somehow, their homes shine brighter than most modern ones. Maybe it's not about tools. Maybe it's not about speed. Maybe it's about heart. about patience, about balance. Take a little of their wisdom into your own home. See how it changes things. This is Rustic Pantry, where old ways still whisper truths for today. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it grounded, keep it rustic,